Hello everybody, in today's video we're going to give you an overview of the Dewalt chainsaw. This is an electric one. It is 16 inch blade here, or 40 centimeters. So we've got the chain here that basically spins this way. The chain has teeth, and as it spins it cuts the wood. In the front we have this pull back to release brake. So essentially you pull back like this to stop the brake, and it will allow it to spin. But if accidentally you have, let's say the chainsaw starts to go up towards you, your hand will automatically push this brake, and the brake will stop the chain from spinning. So again, to operate it, we have to pull back, but in any cases of kind of emergencies, you can always pull the brake or push the brake here. On this side, we've got the battery. This is a FLEXVOLT battery. It takes the 60-volt battery. Here's an example of one. This is 9 ampere hours, FLEXVOLT 60-volt battery, so it's quite thick. Now the battery lasts not too long, maybe 5 minutes, so this chainsaw is good for your kind of casual wood cutting. It's not gonna last if you have a huge job of cutting down a tree. For that, definitely get the gas one. But for small jobs, maybe 10-12 cuts of big diameter tree, that's gonna last. So the battery goes in here and it just clicks in like this. On this side we have the plate that covers this chainsaw in the blade. That's for maintenance, so you can take this off, replace the chainsaw if you need it. And then this here regulates the tension, so you want to make sure it's the right tension. As you pull it on the chainsaw, the teeth should be kind of about this level, like about to come out. If it's too tight, the chain will have trouble spinning around, and then if it's too loose, it's not going to do the good job of cutting, or it can get damaged as well. On this side we have the trigger that you push. It's a safety trigger, so you have to push this to start the operating chainsaw, and then you've got the trigger here. Now it's locked, so that's why you have to push this one first, and then you push this one to operate the chainsaw. And the last piece that you will need to make sure you have is the oil. So the oil compartment is here, and you need to make sure it has, it's basically full. So ours is not full. The way to see it is you have this little gauge here, and we're gonna put the oil. Now the oil that you can put is basically bar and chain oil. I have 2 examples of the oil here. This one is all season, so you can use it all year round. And this one is for the spring or the summer. There's also one for the winter specifically. This ones you can get in any of the home hardware stores. In Canada, I got this from Canadian Tire. And we're just gonna use this and fill this up. This one is new. Let's use this one. we're just gonna close it. You want to always make sure you have oil. Oil basically lubricates the chain. If it doesn't have oil, it's gonna overheat and it will start damaging your chain. So that's it. Now to operate it, we just release the brake, press the safety trigger, press the trigger here to start, and it starts spinning. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. See you in the next one.